Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to activate Capital One credit card on app. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. The first thing you need to do is to log on into your account using your username and password or any other authentication method you've set. When you're in, select your credit card information from the list of accounts you may have. Now, when you've ordered a card on a specific account, you will find the Activate Your New Card button highlighted on the same section of the respective account. If this button is unavailable, it means your card is already active. So go ahead and tap on the Activate Your New Card. On the new page, you'll see a green button labeled Start. With your card beside you, click on it, then the Ready to Scan option will be displayed, and this will direct you to place your card on your device. After following the on-screen instructions, your Capital One card will be activated successfully. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.